Let's clean the CN tower. Okay, clean up. Let's clean the CN tower. Oh, it didn't. Come on, bro. Clean it up. Damn. Shit. Let's try again. Maybe I'm not selecting it. God damn. What's up, everyone? It's your boy Sammy back with another video. And today, iOS 18.1 have been already released, and I just came back from work, and I just want to update my iPhone to the latest version with you guys. So we're gonna do that, and first I'm gonna hop into my setting, go to general, software update. So as you can see here, it says iOS 18.1. This update introduced the first set of features powered by Apple Intelligence, a personal intelligence system that unlock powerful new ways to communicate, work, and express yourself, all while protecting your data. Blah blah blah. Yeah, so this gonna be the first. It's gonna be the first set of powered by Apple Intelligence. All the features we saw on the announcement back in September gonna be included in this version of iOS 18.1. So we're gonna go and click the install now. Verifying update. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited too. There gonna be a lot of features included in this iOS 18.1 version. Hopefully it's gonna be worth it. We're gonna see a lot of AI features in this, and we will be able to use this camera button and capture certain things and let the phone easily identify what that is. So as you can see, it already start updating. I think it's downloading it, so we're gonna wait and see until it's finished. Hopefully it's not gonna take long because I'm so tired. I just got back home now. Meanwhile, they also introduced iMac today. A lot of tech YouTubers have been talking about it. I didn't check it out in details, but yeah, hopefully. Let me see something here. Apple iMac. So Apple unveiled the new iMac with M4 chip supercharged by Apple Intelligence and available in fresh colors, it says here. So I need to show you guys. By the way, I'm still using my Pocket 3 for recording my video. So as you can see, Apple unveil sending iMac with M4 chip, supercharged by Apple Intelligence and developing fresh color. I think they released different color preference. Yeah. So these are the colors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As I can count from the picture, there is 7 different color, and there is a detail note here. M4 chip. I don't know. I never used the iMac before. I only use my Mac, which is here, which I bought in 2021. This is the M1 chip. They reach on the M4 now. Damn, I'm way too old. I don't have a detailed idea what the iMac is because I never used it, but yeah, I think this is a news though. Meanwhile, it already finished downloading, and let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's see as you can see here, it says Apple Intelligence and Siri. This is the first time me seeing this Apple Intelligence and Siri. So let's go to General again. Boom, it already installed it. Yeah, so it's now in iOS 18.1. This update introduces the first set of features powered by Apple Intelligence. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so I already installed it as I showed you. So now in the setting app, you need to this thing, the Apple Intelligence and Siri will appear as soon as you install the iOS 18.1. So you're gonna click that and you're gonna turn on the Apple Intelligence or join the Apple Intelligence and Siri. Because I'm in Canada, it says join, and I already joined the waitlist, and now it says turn on the Apple Intelligence, as you can see here. So let's see if it able me to use Apple Intelligence by turning it on right now. So I'm gonna turn on the Apple Intelligence, and yeah, you see Apple Intelligence. There are a bunch of things here, so you're gonna continue. Choose notification to summarize. Not now. Okay, continue. Speak to Siri. Say Siri or Hey Siri and hold the side button to talk to Siri. Okay. Type to Siri by clicking the bottom dash. Okay, I think we are in. So let's see. Shit. Okay, let's see. Hey Siri. Damn. Shit. It already worked. Hey Siri. What's up?
Hello. How can I help?
Nothing.
Okay then.
See? Wow, it's pretty cool. Hey Siri, you can see the sides, all sides like in different color. It's exactly like I expected. Okay, so there are a bunch of features as we like heard on the event while they release the iPhone 16. So I'm not sure if I just go to everything right now, but I hope what's new in photos, all new design, new collection. So once like you're in the photos, there is an option which says clean up. So I think that will able you to just erase a certain object on the photo. So let's just select this fire hydrant. Oh, it already cleaned it up. Shit. It's crazy. It's pretty cool, I swear. And it's so fast. Like it's disappeared in within a second. Let's clean the CN tower. Okay, clean up. Let's clean the CN tower. Oh, it didn't. Come on, bro. Clean it up. Damn. Shit. Let's try again. Maybe I'm not selecting it properly. Yeah, that's my fault. Let me just cancel it and try it again from scratch. Because I'm holding the phone with my one hand and it's not properly cleaning it up. Okay, so now let's try it again. Let me just zoom in. Okay, so I'm gonna go to clean up and select the center. Try again with perfect. So this feature is amazing, honestly. You can see the difference. It was this and now it completely cleaned it up. So the photo app is crazy. Okay guys, so I already downloaded the iOS 18.1 as I showed you, and I was trying to go through every new features which are included, but I think there is a lot of features, so it's gonna be taking time. So I'm thinking about dropping a video tomorrow on that, and hopefully it's gonna be helpful for you guys. I know a lot of giant tech YouTubers already did that, but I have to do it too, you know, because there are a lot of hopeful new features which are included in the new Apple Intelligence in Siri, and yeah. So I'm gonna be seeing you tomorrow, and shout out to Apple for releasing the iOS 18.1 with pretty sick features, AI features, and we're gonna be covering that. So until I see you soon, I'm gonna be out. Peace.